Hello, this is Supercharged and Intercooled Science with Mr. Cox, your host. Walking through the classroom here today, we're going to look at how to make volcano models. First, you'll need to make a template. You need to decide how big you want your volcano model. You can either make the template out of poster board like we usually do. I've even had some where we didn't have poster board, we use cardboard. It's a little harder to work with to get it to make a cone with, but it makes a stronger volcano. Then you'll need to take your template and you make a cone. Let's see, make a cone like this. You'll tape it down to your handy dandy board. Have some boards there. We usually recommend about a 2x2 board. This is one that was really cool, but the Play-Doh stuff is, I should say Play-Doh, but the stuff that we make, it's like Play-Doh. It's broken off. The mixture probably wasn't just right, but you'll need a board to fix it too. That's what I'm showing you here. Afterwards, you can paint the board and then the volcano and everything else. After you tape the template down here that you made your volcano with, you can decide what kind of volcano you want, and a lot of it's going to have to do with how high you make it or how low and spread out you make it. It can be anything like a shield volcano or a cinder cone volcano or a lava dome. So in these we use cups. And there you can see you can decorate it. You can put dinosaurs on it, different little decorative plant items on them if you want to. Again, these are over a year old, so they're starting to fall apart. Some of them held together pretty well, like this one I did. But we ran out of Play-Doh, so I couldn't make it all the way to the top. Or you can use like a 16-ounce bottle. You drink the water out of it, then you put it inside. So after you get it all done, you paint it. You can paint the board or leave the board natural color. You can put decorations on it. You can put dinosaurs, like I said, on it, or little play animals on it, or little models of people on it, or you can just leave it straight. Then you're going to load your material into the volcano opening to make inside of your magma chamber, and you're going to make it erupt. It's a little harder to get the items, the chemicals, into the ones with a water bottle. However, you get a better eruption. It's very easy to load the ones that are made out of cups. So the Play-Doh, I don't know the better term for it, homemade Play-Doh kind of stuff that you use. Here's what you'll need: 4 cups of flour, to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, to 2 tablespoons of either cream of tartar, or you can use a little bit of vinegar if you don't have the cream of tartar, to 2 cups of salt, and max 3.5 to 4 cups of water. I found a lot of times 1 or 2 cups of water, probably 2 cups of water. You want warm water. You want to add it just a little bit at a time. Then you'll knead it. It's easiest to put it in a big Ziploc baggie. You don't want to brutalize it and make it explode, make a mess, but just knead it like a cat does when it's on your lap, or when it's getting milk from its mother. It kneads. You just gently knead the dough together with all the other ingredients in it. When it gets to, you can tell when it's ready to apply. Then you'll apply it to your template, which you've made here, the volcano with. You've taken your template, you've taped it down to the board, you've put either your cup or your bottle in the middle and tape it down good so it doesn't come loose. Then you'll start carefully applying the Play-Doh. But you'll want to use a rolling pin. If you don't have an actual rolling pin, you can use a bottle or anything like that that's circular around, and you can lay it on it and roll it out. Roll it out as thin as you can get it so you can cover the whole volcano. Then you'll need to let it dry at least overnight. Then you can start painting it. Then you can let it dry overnight again. Finish your decorations, let it all dry overnight before you erupt it. My next video will be erupting a volcano. I want to make it separate so it wouldn't get too long, and you could just have some idea here about how we make the volcano. Then we'll look at how we erupt it. See you in the next video.